during monsoon season. During dry season, the Padma or Podar to its confluence with the Meghna River near the Bay of Bengal. The city of Rajshahi is situated on the banks of the river. However, over 660 square kilometers of land has been lost due to erosion of Padma since 1966. The Padma, Sanskrit for lotus flower, is mentioned in Hindu mythology as a byname for the goddess Lakshmi. The name Padma is given to the lower part of the course of the Ganges. Each distributary to the east marks a position of a newer channel than the one to the west of it. 18th century geographer James Rennell referred to a former course of the Ganges north of its present channel as follows. Appearances favor very strongly the opinion that the Ganges had its former bed in the tract now occupied by the lakes and morasses between Natore and Jaffarganj, striking out of the present course at Bolia, to a junction with the Baramputa or Magana near Fringi Bazar, where the accumulation of two such mighty streams probably scooped out the present amazing bed of the Magna. The places mentioned by Rennell proceeding from west to east are Rampur Boli, the headquarters of Rajshahi district, Putia and Nator in the same district, and Jaffarganj in the district of Dhaka. The place last named was shown in a map of the Mymensingh district dated 1861. As a sub-district headquarters, about 10 kilometers southeast of Bera Upazila police station. It is now known as Pila Jaffarganj and is close to Ilachipur opposite Goalanda. According to Rennell's theory, therefore, the probable former course of the Ganges would correspond with that of the present channel of the Baral River. Authorities agree that the Ganges has changed its course and that at different times, each of the distributaries might have been the carrier of its main stream. The bed of the Padma is wide, and the river is split up into several channels flowing between constantly shifting sandbanks and islands. During the rains the current is very strong and even steamers may find difficulty in making headway against it. It is navigable at all seasons of the year by steamers and country boats of all sizes and until recently ranked as one of the most frequented waterways in the world. It is spanned near Paksay by the Great Harding Bridge over which runs one of the main lines of the Bangladesh Railway. The Padma enters Bangladesh from India near Nawabganj and meets the Jamuna near Aricha and retains its name, but finally meets with the Meghna near Chandpur and adopts the name Meghna before flowing into the Bay of Bengal. Rajshahi, a major city in western Bangladesh, is situated on the north bank of the Padma. The Ganges originates in the Gangotri Glacier of the Himalaya and runs through India and Bangladesh to the Bay of Bengal. The Padma enters Bangladesh at Shibganj in the district of Chapai Nawabganj. The Ganges branches into two distributaries, the Hooghly and the Padma at Giriya in Murshidabad district of India. The Hooghly River, which continues southwards in India, is also known as the Ganga and Bhagirathi. Further downstream, in Golando, 2,200 kilometers from the source, the Padma is joined by the Jamuna and the resulting combination flows with the name Padma further east to Chandpur. Here, the widest river in Bangladesh, the Meghna joins the Padma, continuing as the Meghna almost in a straight line to the south, ending in the Bay of Bengal. The Padma forms the whole of the southern boundary of the Pabna district for a distance of about 120 kilometers. The Jalangi River is thrown off at the point where the mighty Padma touches the district at its most northerly corner, and flows along the northern border in a direction slightly southeast, until it leaves the district several kilometers to the east of Kushtia. It carries immense volumes of water and is very wide at places, constantly shifting its main channel, eroding vast areas on one bank, throwing chars on the other, giving rise to many disputes as to the possession of the chars and islands which are thrown up. Murshidabad district situated on the western bank of the Padma. It flows dividing the Rajshahi and Murshidabad district of West Bengal and created a natural river border between India and Bangladesh. Jalangi area of the district was seriously affected by river bank erosion of Padma. Rajshahi is the largest city among the cities which is situated on the bank of Padma River. It is the third largest city in Bangladesh. It is a major city in the North Bengal. Rajshahi has a decorated embankment of Padma. Rajshahi Collegiate School is one of the oldest schools in Indian subcontinent. Situated on Padma River bank. The school was endangered 3 times by the disintegration of the Padma River. Padma Food Garden, AHM Kamaruzaman Central Park and Zoo, Barokuti Nandan Park, Mukta Mancha, and T-shaped embankment are best tourist spot in Rajshahi which are situated on the bank of Padma River. After the cons,